So guys, we're doing Airplane Story 2 as a continued version of Airplane Story 1, which we did earlier.
Hello.
So first we have to find our seat. So mine's actually right here.
Ooh, which one's yours? It has your name on it?
Yeah, it has your name on the little plaque.
Mine's right here. I can't sit down. Okay.
Hello everyone. Welcome back.
Hello.
My name is Kelly. I'm just going to call her Kelly. I'll be your pilot in this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane.
It's a tiny plane.
Yes, it's a miniature. We are not miniatures. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not how you spell ladies, but okay. I welcome you, the 911 Presidential Airport, or 991. Sorry. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Actually, if you watched our last video, I did not save the plane.
I didn't survive.
We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. All right. Enough chatting.
No more chatting.
Please find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it. Ooh, I must steal mine so I can sell it on the black market. I'm kidding. As we are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Alien. Get your seat, girl.
Whoa!
Helicopter. Oh, the copter.
Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. I've been informed a President agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions.
Oh, we have to. What do we sit? What?
Remember, no one should know about this. Uh-oh, what is he doing?
Does anyone else see that?
Welcome to the presidential airplane.
Yes.
He looks pretty sus. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful for killing a plane.
Yeah, for killing a plane.
Usually I would not crash it. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. I just felt stressed, okay?
Oh my go! We can't even follow you if we can't go.
But I honestly
Bro, I'm literally past you, bro. How slow can you be?
President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Bro, come here.
Okay.
But there is something you must know before that. It's Donald Trump!
Ew!
The president is very special. He gets mad very easy.
Donald Trump.
Yeah. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane.
Yeah, guys.
That's all. President should be almost ready. He's doing the moonwalk. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Oh no! Look at this mess! The president is going to be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess.
You don't have any plates or bowls or anything.
Please, or else we will have to lock. Cool dog. for the rest of the flight.
And the other one for my seats.
Okay, bye.
So we're just bringing you back later. Sorry about that, everyone.
Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again.
I didn't even get any water, bro.
President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room.
No.
This is the dining room.
Let me guess, the dining room's in here.
Assume so.
We're in the dining room, though. I know. So we're just gonna teleport to the place that we're already on?
Oh, this is the dining room.
Ew, it's Donald Trump. I'm going all the way back here. The farthest away from him.
Oh, girl, we want to make a good impression.
I don't like Trump.
Throw that brick wall! It's Donald Trump. Wait, what? I'm sorry. It's the habit. His face. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Yet your face is still bloody red. My name is Donald Trump. I'm the president of the Robloxy Estates.
Ew.
Because I'm Trump. You must know you are heroes for this nation.
Duh.
Unless you
You're
watch-
not, though.
Unless you watched my video in the first one. We have a delicious meal prepped for this special moment.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. These kids are idiots. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane! Whoa. You will take care of him, Mr. President?
Calm down.
Calm down, Jamal. No, I'm not a chef. Drink 5639, you look like a great chef. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Make cookies. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of the plane, too.
What? That's not fair. You have to do it, bro.
Okay, what am I making? I don't know what I'm making. Drug 5639. I will tell you the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. Frick. Okay. Okay. It's okay. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. But be quick. Are you ready?
No.
Time to cook. The soup needs banana. Oh god. No, stop. No, this stupid control is stupid. Grab a freaking banana. No, not the fish. Oh my god, this is, no. Stop. I can't do this.
I'll see you in your afterlife.
Goodbye. Well, sorry guys. We'll have to do a different video. Or you can try to figure out Airplane Story 2 yourself.
Yeah, well.
So I guess that's the end of the video. Goodbye, humans.